straightforward, right? It's where the mouth is.
Oral cavity, we just
She would say, what is this opening?
Cavity. Yeah, what is this opening? Tongue is this like big muscle sitting in there, right? Teeth, we can't see in this model, so we'll just skip down. Does this have the glands on it? No, there's another one. There's a different model that has glands on it. Okay, oropharynx, right? It's behind the mouth in the pharynx here. Esophagus. So if this was larynx, remember we went over all that kind of stuff? This here is going to be the esophagus running behind it and down this tube into the stomach. Okay, do you want to just go through the stomach too?
Can I just quickly, this is something I don't know why it confused me, but pharynx and larynx.
Yeah, so it would
Esophagus.
be nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx, larynx, esophagus. And this is the trachea running down here. Yeah. Okay.
Stomach.
So the air comes from the trachea.
Yeah, so air here, food and water here.
the esophagus is that one?
Yes, it's this tube
Okay.
here, the back one.
Which goes down to the stomach to put your food in your
Yep.
stomach.
So cardiac region, very easy to remember. It's the top region where the heart would be laying above it, right? So that's cardiac region of the stomach.
We mean top, you mean like right here or?
No, like here, like this general zone,
Where it joins.
right? Fundus is this curvature here at the top, right? This is like if this was closed up, this would be body, like the main portion of it.
Okay.
Pylorus is the zone here. So cardiac, you know how cardiac is a region on it? Pylorus is this region of it here, with the pyloric sphincter next to it, right? So if this is pylorus, this is pyloric sphincter. These little like folds and bends and stuff inside are rugae. Yep. And then greater curvature, lesser curvature. Or greater curvature, lesser curvature.
on the inside.
Yeah. So greater curvature, lesser curvature. And it's just based upon the size of the curvature, right? So that's everything for stomach. Then we're gonna move, as we move through that pyloric sphincter, we go into the duodenum.
Is that the small or?
It's part of the small intestine. Okay.
This
It's
is the
beginning of-
duodenum right here?
Yeah. What is this?
That's that airy.
Pancreas?
Pancreas, right? This is gonna have, when we get into digestive in lecture, there's gonna be a huge amount of stuff that this is doing for you. But for now, this is anatomy, we'll move on. So duodenum here is it's our first part. That's going to lead into jejunum, which is the upper right quadrant of the small intestine. And then down here, so then there's a bunch of small intestine in between, and then at the bottom of it is the ileum part of it. So duodenum, jejunum, ileum. That's going to comprise, duodenum, jejunum, ileum.
This whole thing is duodenum?
Yeah.
So she could point to this, and you
Yeah.
would say, not
Duodenum.
small intestine, you would say duodenum.
If it said what part of the small intestine is this, it's the duodenum. If it asked
they're
you
like
what
in
is this,
quadrants.
yeah. So it's broken into threes: duodenum, jejunum, ileum.
I'm going to make a song out of that.
You do whatever you have
Right?
to do.
Duodenum?
Right. So then it makes sense, right? If this bottom part is called the ileum, then the valve between the small intestine and the large is ileocecal valve, right? Because we're at the cecum. So if this is the ileum area and that's the cecum, ileocecal valve. She has a model somewhere that's just that little area right there, right?
So that's in between the small and the large
Yeah.
intestine.
Before we jump to large intestine, though, what is this tongue-like thing?
It's appendix.
Appendix. Yeah. If this bursts, you get into some trouble. You get septicemia, right? All right. So then we're going to the large intestine. Here's the cecum, right? It's where that ileum and the cecum come together. Is that ileocecal valve between them? So we have the cecum. There's your appendix. Ascending colon as we're moving up. Transverse as we're moving across. Descending as we move down. Sigmoid, the way I remember, is it's S-shaped. It's like an S, right? So it's kind of easy to remember. Rectum, as we're moving down. And then anus is the terminal hole at the end, obviously, right? That's everything. The digestive system.
Awesome.
Awesome. And you already
And then
did the liver for
I
us,
would just
right?
look at the teeth.